Hello everyone, welcome back to Technocrat NJ, and I'm Namya back with another Minecraft tutorial for you. Today I'm going to teach you how you can create fireworks of star shape. So let us start. First of all, we need to go to the inventory and grab our crafting table and then place it obviously. So first of all, we are going to take a gunpowder and then some dyes. Maybe I'm gonna take a magenta dye and a lime dye so it can make a lime magenta dye. So this is a fireworks star which we're creating right now. And then I'm gonna take a diamond which will help it to give a trail, and then we can take a bit glowstone dust which will give it a twinkle effect. And then you have three options that you can either use a feather or maybe a fire charge, and you can even use a golden nugget. So I'll try all of them with you right now. So we're going to take burst effect first, and now we can take a large ball effect, and then we can take a star shaped effect, and that's how it is ready now. Let me just clear the inventory. So to give it a bit more trail effect, we can take maybe a blue dye. You can take any dye that you want. So I'm doing it for all of these three. Where did it go? Yeah, it's here. So I'm gonna try two only right now. And then the final step is that we have to take this and then grab a paper and then some gunpowder. So what we can do is, like if you make it 3, it'll go too high, so I'm gonna only take 2. So it's supposed to be 2 only. That makes it 10 and 5. Yeah, 2. So this is our firework rocket. And now again we're gonna take our gunpowder and then make it still 2. And now let us try this. So it looks like this. Wow, that was good. Let me go a bit up high and show you that. Wow. And this is the star shape. Yeah, it's so good. And if you if I put it together, it's gonna look like that. And if you remember the previous video that I have put, then how you can put it again and again, we can even use that and this. So it's gonna look like this. So I hope you all like this video. Please like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.